In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add footnotes in Canva. Footnotes are a great way to add extra information, citations, or small explanations without cluttering your main design. They're especially useful for things like reports, presentations, academic posters, or any design where you want to keep the layout clean but still show your sources. First, open your design in Canva. You can use an existing project or start with a new template, such as a report page or a presentation slide. It's usually easier to work with a layout that already has a clear body section and some space at the bottom, because that's where your footnotes will go. Begin by adding your main text. Click on the Text tool and choose a text style that matches your design. Type your paragraph or content as you normally would. Now, decide where you need a footnote. This is typically right after a sentence or a specific piece of information you want to support or explain. To create the footnote marker in the text, click your cursor at the end of that sentence and type a small number, like 1 or 2. If you want it to look like a true superscript, select just that number. Then go to the text options. Canva may not have a built-in superscript button in every version, but you can fake it by slightly reducing the font size of that number and moving it up using line spacing or positioning. Make it subtle so it doesn't distract from the main sentence, but still visible enough to be noticed. Next, scroll or move down to the bottom area of your page or slide. This will be your footnote section. Add a new text box there and type the same number, followed by the explanation or citation that corresponds to your marker above. For example, you might write 1. Source or 1. Additional details about this point. To keep things neat, use a smaller font size than your main text and a lighter color or regular weight, so it feels secondary but still readable. If you have multiple footnotes, repeat this process. Add small numbered markers in the body text, and then list those numbers with their explanations at the bottom, 1 per line. Try to align them to the left and keep consistent spacing so the section looks organized and professional. Finally, take a moment to zoom out and review your design. Make sure your markers in the body text match the numbers at the bottom. Check that everything is legible, and confirm that the footnotes don't overlap with other elements like logos or page numbers. Adjust positioning as needed until the page feels balanced. And that's how you add clean, readable footnotes in Canva while keeping your design polished and easy to follow.